If you're looking to conserve battery life on your iPhone, one of the best things you can do is turn on low power mode. This mode reduces power consumption by disabling or reducing certain features and functions. In this video, I'll show you how to enable low power mode and get the most out of it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to extend the battery life of your iPhone. To get started, open up the settings, scroll down, and tap where it says battery. And as you can see, there is the low power mode option, which is toggled off. So in order to turn on the low power mode, simply toggle this on. And now that you've successfully enabled low power mode on your iPhone, the battery in the top right corner of the screen has turned yellow, indicating that the low power mode is active. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.